The National Weather Service has issued a dust storm warning for the following counties in Arizona: Maricopa&pinal counties, until 7 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. A dust storm warning is issued when winds have generated large areas of blowing dust or blowing sand that have substantially reduced visibilities to 1/4 mile or less, resulting in hazardous driving conditions in some areas. Be ready for a sudden drop in visibility to near zero. Use extra caution and slow down while driving, as objects on and near roadways will be seen only at close range. If you encounter blowing dust or blowing sand on the roadway or see it approaching, pull off the road as far as possible and put your vehicle in park. Turn the lights all the way off and keep your foot off the brake pedal.